Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the combination on a combination lock just like this. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have one example of a combination lock. Now there are many different options when it comes to combination locks, but they all usually work in a very similar way. And if you want to change the combination, then this method might work for yours. It might not, but it might. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Like I said, this is just one example, but most of them work in a very similar manner. So try this out and it might just work. Okay, so basically you want to start off by putting in your combination that you have set for the combination lock. In this case, it's 000. The lock should open. Okay, you want to rotate it 180 degrees. And you'll notice that there's just a little lip on the edge right there, as you can see. You want to rotate it so that that lip or that notch falls in that opening right there. So I'm rotating it 180 degrees, and this is spring loaded. So what I need to do is I need to press and hold down the locking mechanism. I need to press it down and hold it down while I choose my new combination. So I'm going to use my palm here. I'm going to press it down and hold it down, and I'm going to change it just to make it simple to 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now my new combination is set. Make sure you remember what you're setting it to, obviously. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to release this. Okay, I'm going to release it, and I'm going to rotate it just like this, and I'm going to close it. Okay, and turn a number to lock it. Right. So now I'm turning it to a different number. As you can see, it's locked. And if we try our new combination, which is 1, 1, 1, as you can see, it opens up. So we've changed the combination. It's that simple. That is how to change the combination on a combination lock. Like I said, this is just one example. There are many other combination locks that you can get, but the majority of them will work in a very similar way with regards to how to change the combination. You need to know the old combination and then do the steps that I showed you in the video, and then you can set a new combination. That's it. Basically, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.